Welcome to Motorcycle News Channel. Bengaluru-based tech startup Emflux Motors has unveiled India's first electric superbike, called the Emflux One at the Auto Expo 2018. The Emflux One is powered by Samsung Lithium-ion 9.7 kWh high-power cells with a 60 kW AC induction motor, with power limited to 53 kW from the controller. The Emflux One is a full-fared electric superbike with top-of-the-line components like Brembo brakes with dual-channel ABS, single-sided swing arm, all-in suspension and fully connected smart dashboard with artificial intelligence capabilities. The pre-orders for the Emflux One will start in July 2018, with the first deliveries to begin in April 2019. The Emflux One will have a range of around 200 kilometers on standard operating conditions. The company intends to start exports of the electric motorcycles as well, and currently discussions are on with distributors from different countries across Europe, Canada, Mexico and Australia.